Another great stop to add to our repertoire is the hockey stop. Hockey stops involve 2 feet, and they're both going to be on different edges. What I like to do is imagine 2 parallel lines right in front of me. So I'm going to turn my feet to the left first. And then with all of our skating, we always think about lean and bend. So I'm going to bend my knees, just lean back just a little bit so my weight is a bit in back of me. So, and my upper body is square. So arms are square, I'm facing ahead, chest faces forward, the direction I want to stop. And I'm going to think about my edges. So my front foot is going to be on an inside edge, and my back foot is going to be on an outside edge. So let's start with getting comfortable with that shift in your weight. So posture up, chin up, arms here. We're going to relax right to below the shoulders. Turn your feet to the side. Shift your weight back and bend. When you stop, we're going to use the middle of our blade. So let's think about that concept next. Square. Quick twist at the hips. Bend and press back onto the middle of the blade. Let's find out on the other direction. See which side feels more comfortable for you. Bend, lean back. Repeat, turn, bend, press that weight back. So a common concept we're starting to see in all of our stops, snowplow stop, hockey stop, is when you stop, that skidding foot is going to be in front of your body. So for a hockey stop, it's in front. For a snowplow stop, it's in front of your body. For forward stops, skidding foot goes in front, but weight stays behind. We're gonna start off with the hockey stop. So for snowplow stops, we turn our toe in, think about that inside edge, skid. So as I press my skidding foot forward, my weight stays sitting back. And I'm gonna do the same thing for a half hockey stop. I'm gonna turn my foot a little bit more. We'll try that again, turn my foot in, so it's parallel to our line of travel. Half hockey stop is a great exercise to think about just the front foot, the inside edge there. It's hardest to get the back outside edge. So glide, bend, turn your foot in slightly more than a snowplow stop. So for these half hockey stops, I'm going to glide just like my snowplow stops, bend, and quickly drive my lateral hip forward. I'm gonna drive my edge down in the ice, get that skid to come to a stop. Glide, bend, press. Let's try the other foot. And then as an exercise, let's try to go left, right, glide, bend, skid to a stop, glide, bend, skid to our stop, glide, bend, skid to a stop. So it's like there is a magnet on my lateral hip. Bend, try to get that magnet forward to the force, glide, bend. So when you're new to stops, I recommend doing this for your warm-up. Stroke forwards, get a little backward skiing in, and warm up your stops on your left and right feet. In order to find success on these, as I do my stop, I do keep my weight further back. Let's give hockey stops a go. We're gonna try at a slower speed first. Glide, bend, skid to a stop. It's hardest to get that stopping action on that back foot. So sometimes doing these punches on the outside edge. Remember, skid forward, weight back. Weight is behind my bottom to get more comfortable with that outside edge. So skate, bend, stop. Try the other foot, skate, bend, stop. It is much tougher to do hockey stops on figure skates because you have that toe pick in front. It's going to be a little easier in your hockey skates. So play around with the variety of stops so you have a bit of a stop repertoire